Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will walk you through how to deposit money on Binance using your credit card step by step. Whether you are new to crypto or just needed a refresher, I have got you covered. First of all, go to Binance.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up. Now I will link a tutorial in the description for create an account. Make sure your account is secure. I recommend enabling two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator or SMS. For that, go to profile, then settings. Now find the security section from settings or click on uh, accounts tab, then click security. From here, turn on the two-factor authentication options like passkey, authenticator app like Google Authenticator, email, and pass phone number. It is all right. Once logged in, hover over the Buy Crypto tab from the left side of the screen. Then click on Spend button. Then enter your amount like $100. You will receive 95 point something USDT. Then click payment method. Then this is Binance official portal for buying crypto directly with your card. You can use Visa or MasterCard. Then enter a new card. Enter your card details, like card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. From here, you can change the currency like euro or receive USDT like BTC or Bitcoin. Then click add new card and enter your details here. Make sure your card supports international online payments. Some banks block crypto related transactions. After adding the card, double check the details. Binance will show a breakdown of the total cost, conversion rate, and fee. If everything looks good, click confirm. You may be redirected to your bank's secure page for one-time password or verification. Once your bank confirms the payment, Binance will process the transaction. Usually, your crypto will arrive in your spot wallet within a few minutes. So for that, go to click on profile icon or assets, then click spot. and your balance will show here. If it takes longer, check your email and bank app to ensure payment went through. Your purchased crypto should be listed there. Okay. You can also view your deposit history under transaction history to confirm it was successful. From assets, click transaction history. From that, from bottom uh, of the screen, like here, you can change type like withdraw, auto deduction, then time, last uh, past 90 days, then coin, specific coin, status, etc. Then when you earn more crypto, just click on sell and select your coin name like USDT or Binance, Bitcoin, then uh, select your receive currency like USDT or any other currency, then click select transaction method, then click sell USDT. From markets tab, you will see the value of your coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. The Bitcoin is the most popular coin of this platform. And that's it. You have just deposited money on Binance using your credit card. Now you are ready to start trading, stacking, or exploring DeFi. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.